Uyabona iMadlanga Commission iyafana nje nokuba nomfazi obhadlile kodwa uzipholele. Akwazi usathi siyahamba namajita ukuthi unamanga azithulele nje. Ubuye uxoxe into ezingekho azithulele nje. Kodwa la sekaqala kuhlohla khona yakhe imibuzo. Awubona ukuthi you are not as dumb as I thought you were. The questions you are asking are gonna send me straight to infidelity court. Baze bamiya uBrown ngelanga lokuqala watanasa naye wazizwa futhi ukuthi no, I'm on the ball, I got this. We ayithe mase ifika imibuzo uBrown Bukhotsi uzindoda seyithi the money. Wow! Hayi madoda kubi kwa Department of Lies kubi. And one thing I've realized, if you are going to lie, stick to your vernacular language. Kunzima uqamama English. When they start questioning you, no, Brian Mkhotsi, you should have asked for a translator. It's easier uqamamanga in your mother tongue. English will send you to jail. Once they start cross-examining you, you will see flames. Zuzukipe no muti la. Epanchino.